Right, let's go forward. Come on, Kayla. No, this is what was it? The Obi Blind.
Think in a minute, all right?
Those are the really cool. Right, come then, show me. You show me the
So we actually paid to go on a drive through a canyon, but part way through we stopped at a market where they're selling lots of little bits, which is like 3, 1, 2, some 10 euros, but it's not so expensive. But actually it's really, really good, and the prices are quite good, don't you think?
Very good.
The prices are quite good at the moment.
They're very good, really good.
The boys, the kids, what have you
I love these necklaces, I think they're brilliant. So Brandon wants this, it's just €1.
Okay, yeah, fine, fair
Do you
enough.
want that one, Kayla?
But we're not, you're going to put it in the bag or we'll lose it. Yeah, so
yeah, we've got to pay for it first.
so
Let's
far,
take it. You hold it and we'll take it to the lady. Come on.
it's got loads of little bracelets and it's really pretty.
Right, come on,
a
Mummy
lot
wants
of
to do
effort's been
Mummy
taken
wants
to.
So bring it over. Bring it over, kids.
I love the chimes. You can hear the sound of the chimes.
Yeah.
Really, really good. Believe it or not, so we're on day 4 of our holiday. This is the first time I'm actually doing any filming. I've not done any filming since I've been here. I've just wanted to chill out. But this is our first excursion. We spent most of the time already being at the hotel. We've been by the pool. Brandon started swimming, which is really cool. Even Kayla got in the pool as well. Brandon, don't pull that. Careful. So in general, we've not really done a lot of activities. It didn't help that Brandon and Kayla both had bad stomachs, but they had bad stomachs coming here. Sarah had a really bad stomach before we came, so the fact that we're now sort of coming to the other end of it is really good. And now what we're doing is we're sort of trying to enjoy ourselves. In the next few days we're going to be doing excursions and we're going to be going out and actually doing lots of different things. So I'm looking forward to actually enjoying the holiday now, as opposed to where we were just in the hotel, we were still enjoying ourselves, but we were nowhere near having as much fun as we're having now. So, and I think my wife has just seen something she likes. And how many euros is that?
5.
Oh, so why has yours always got to be so much more expensive? So look at all these chimes. These chimes are amazing. And I don't know if the sound is being picked up. It's probably not being picked up as well as it could be, but it's just so brilliant to hear the sounds as the wind goes by and you can hear the chimes. I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without the mic, so I sincerely hope that the sound on this is good enough to pick up everything that I'm saying. If not, then this is just a very, very, very quiet video. But yeah, listen to that. You can hear it now. And I may not have mentioned that we're actually in Turkey. I think at no point in this video have I actually said where we are. We're actually in Alanya in Turkey on our canyon visit. Oh, Mummy's found even more things. What's Mummy found now? And how many euros is that?
3.
Ah, beautiful. That's within my budget. So we are now at the canyon and we are going to take the nice calm walk up the ramp. It's a lovely day. The weather is amazing. It is very hot, but we're doing really well so far. Kayla's doing well. She's been walking, and mixture of walking and Brandon, be careful with your fingers. Yeah, it's a mixture of walking and obviously being picked up. We were literally just having a quick drink, and Brandon was the one that said, I want to keep going. So now we're walking to the top. Mummy and Kayla are sitting back at the restaurant, chilling out, resting their beautiful little legs, while me and the boy, we're going to go climbing. So we're going to try and find, I'll get to the top. Let me, Brandon. We're going to keep going. Wow, this is really, really cool. It's a good walk. Actually, I'm glad that we're doing it because it was getting quite hot in there. There's a nice little breeze as we walk ahead. What do you think of it, Brandon? What do you think of it?
I liked it.
Did you like it?
I liked it. When I climbed up.
You climbed up all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, and we will climb down soon.
Yeah. But we're going to be going down in a minute, aren't we? Mummy, Brandon. We're going to be going down soon, aren't we? And then what we're going to do when we get to the bottom?
Go to eat.
Oh, are you hungry? Are you? Okay, so yeah, so we've got to get something to eat now and get some food. Let's get a nice picture at the top there though, yeah? Should we get a nice picture? Oh yeah, good. Me and my boy. Oh yeah. Love you.
انا هيطلعوا